Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get the 4K quality video for your iPhone camera. So to do that, you just need to go open your settings, and right up after you open the setting, you just need to scrolling up until you found the camera section. And whenever you got the camera section, you just need to go click this camera, and you'll need to see the record video, the top line. Just need to go click them, and there will be an option about the quality of the video that you can get for the iPhone camera whenever you record a video. So the current format will be symbolized with this blue checklist button. So if you want to get the 4K, you just need to pick the 4K one, and there will be 3 sections: 4K with the 24 fps, with the 30 fps, and 60 fps. The higher the fps, the smoother the video it will be. So that's also will be affecting the size of the video that you record. So the higher the quality, it's also the higher the size, or the bigger the size that you will take with by the video. If you want to have the 4K, the smoothest, the high efficiency one, go click this part, and you just need to confirm that you want to apply the 4K into your phone. So that is the way, guys, how to set your video into the 4K quality. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.